My name's Travis Dyer, and it's Pine Point Farms. We farm a couple thousand acres of corn and soybeans, and last fall we put in a pile of rye because of the commodity prices and stuff. When the rye started heading out and turning and stuff, the weeds started coming on a little bit, so that's where we gained our weed seed. So we had to figure out a way to get rid of the weed seed and clean it up and stuff so we could get a premium price from where we're shipping it to. I made some calls to Alex here, and he had something up in Apple Valley that seemed to fit our operation and work out good. Does about 1,000 bushel an hour, and we'll be able to go back right through and reseed it down with our grain that we harvested right now. JP over here designed this trailer to mount it on so we can make it mobile, and you know, if we got to take it to another farm, screen some more grain, it works good.
We're cleaning rye today, organic rye actually, for resale and for replanting for 1,500 acres. So it looks good and clean.
Literally the first year it's going to return. And we're going to have 60,000 bushel of rye, and we're going to clean it and kind of see some of the stuff coming out of it. You know, it's a decent sized investment, but it's going to eliminate spraying for next year, like in soybeans and stuff, because we're going to lay this down as a cover crop. Come in, probably burn it off in the spring, plant some soybeans and corn into it. You know, we eliminate the weed seed right away, so then, you know, we don't have those problem weeds coming back that we got to take care of. Just happened to be that we had it together and we're ready to roll today, and Alex said he'd come right over and show us what to do and show JP, he's the farm manager, everything to do. And I come back out here, and I've been out here for 15 minutes, and I can already see what's going on and how much it's cleaning up the grain.
It's an amazing machine. I mean, it cleans the way you say it's going to.
Customer service is A1, and so, no, I'm happy so far.